Are you tired of struggling to manage your stream across multiple platforms? Simulcasting can feel overwhelming. Restream is here to turn that around. With Restream, you can relieve pressure on your PC and network. No more dropped frames or lagging due to overloading your hardware. Enjoy seamless multi-streaming without the stress. Stream to various platforms simultaneously without draining your bandwidth. Setting up is as easy as it gets. No complex plugins or tedious tweaks, just quick and efficient streaming. And if you need support, Restream has 24/7 live chat with real people ready to assist you. Experience the difference with Restream's powerful features. Start with our free plan today, and grow your audience like never before. Get more views, engage your audience, and elevate your streams right now. Visit our pricing page for more details.